Multi-Parallel Multi-Accounts is an Android application designed to allow users to create and manage multiple accounts for various apps on a single device. This app is particularly useful for individuals who want to separate personal and professional accounts or use multiple accounts for social media, messaging, and gaming apps without the need to log in and out repeatedly. Key features typically include the ability to clone applications, enabling users to run multiple instances of the same app simultaneously. This allows for seamless switching between accounts without compromising privacy or security. The app often guarantees that each account remains independent, with its own data and settings. Additionally, Multi-Parallel may provide customizable user profiles, allowing users to personalize each cloned account with distinct icons or themes for easier identification. Users can also enjoy a user-friendly interface that simplifies account management and enhances usability.